Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and we're here for another break today. Today we are going to open up another one of these to 21-22 Hockey Series 2 tin. Yeah, I know, I keep doing tins. Pretty soon everybody's be calling me the Tin Man or the Tin Bear. Anyways, you get 9 packs in here. Where does it say that? See? 8 cards per pack, 9 packs per tin. What they don't tell you is the 9th pack is actually a rookie pack that's only got like 3 cards. And true to form, they put all the packs on one side except for the rookie pack, which is on the other side. And there we go. Well, I haven't got a Quentin Byfield yet. Nor have I got the complete base. So, here we go. We'll start off today with a rookie pack. Okay. And we got Alex Barbeau, Lucas Raymond, regular, and Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen. That looks like a bronze. And that's our rookie pack today. Hope I get a Quentin Byfield today. We got Tippett, Byron, Labushkin, Chris Drager, and our first young gun, Podkolzin, Vasily Podkolzin, is that how you pronounce it? And that's our first one, Quinn Hughes, Connor Brown, and Klingberg. Of course, I don't know with the current configuration if it still works, but sometimes you could probably get a third young gun if you get the canvas. Grimaldi, Yokihiro, Dustin Brown, and Lucas Raymond honor roll. Interesting. Nancy Kopitar, Brock Nelson, Patrick Laine, and Jake Gardner. And we got Majapane, Sandheim, Fischler, Chichil, and Gabriel Landeskog with the Dazzler. Oh, tongue-tied again. Carey Price, Lundholm, and Colin Miller. Okay, and we got Scott Lawton, TJ Oshie, Jake Muzzin, and an OPG update of Philip Deneau. Nicholas Ehlers, Beauvillier, and Carlson, and Gagne. Okay, we got Anderson Dolan, Pietrangelo, Phil Kessel, Tyson Berry, and Frederick Allard, Young Guns. Robin Lettner, Kirby Doc, and Brady Ski. Well, there's my 2 young guns. Can I get a young gun canvas? I haven't got a canvas yet so far. Usually you get a canvas in the tin. And we got Trojek, Severinsen, Jason Spezza, now retired, and is in management now with the Leafs. Grulag, Portrait, Draisaitl, Shattenkirk, Matt Duchene, and Aaron Ekblad. Getzlaff, Ryan O'Reilly, Paul Stastny, Hayden Fleury, Burakovsky, Larson, Nito, and Granlund. Whoa. No hard ones on that one. Last pack. And we have Batherson, Mike Riley, Travis Hamonic, Anthony Mantha, and Joe Thornton Retro OPG. That's an interesting one. Haven't seen those ones yet. Pretty cool. Gergensons, Anastasio, and Lindholm. Wow, that's an interesting card. Okay, so what we got today, guys, is we got a young gun of this guy, Blood Colson, and we also got Frederick Allard, young gun, and we got an OPG update retro of Joe Thornton, and we got Guliak, Benoit Albert Guliak, Portrait. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Philip Deneau, OPG update, Landeskog Dazzler, and an honor roll of Lucas Raymond. And there's our rookies, 2 regular and a bronze. That's it, guys. That's our break for today. Tell me what you think. Put it in the comments below. In the meantime, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to enter our giveaways or just be notified of the next video, then subscribe. And like I said, if you want something to add, put it in the comments below. I hope everybody's doing well. I want to thank everybody for watching. Bye now.